the main purpose of the baby egg project is para makasabot mi nga ang parenthood is not easy. Nga kung unsa kadako ang responsibilidad sa isa ka parent. And then ug usa pa sa kung unsaon nila pagpadako ang ilahang bata nga mahimong mayong tao, maayo sa ginikanan, maayo og ilabi na sa uban. So, ang biggest challenges nga na-encounter nako while I am taking care of my baby egg is sa kung asa nako siya ibutang, sa kung asa siya safe, ingon ana. And then, giunsa nako siya pag-overcome, yes, giano nako siya nga, before ko mag-decide kung asa siya ibutang, is gina-secure dyan nako or gina-think dyan nako, think twice nako, siya nga if kung dira nako siya ibutang, safe ba ka siya? Or di ba siya basangkilan or di ba siya ma-damage? So kami ni Jo kay nag-by scheduling mi sa kung kanusa na mo dalaon si Yuna. Kontahay ako Lunes, siya Martes, ako na pod Miyerkules, siya na pod Huwebes. And then namalit pud mi og basket nga nasudlanan niya kay kung asa na mo siya kung asa na mo siya dalaon, dali na mo siya ma-carry. And then, fair food ang amo ang mga responsibilidad kay ano man, katangingon ako ganihan, nag-by scheduling me. Kung iyahan ang turn, iyaha jud na, dili jud ako modala na. Kung ako po, dili po siya modala na, ako jud modala. So, sukad-sukad nga na may baby egg nga project is, kung ako ng turn, palitan, kung asa ko moadto, dalaon na jud ako na siya, palitan, kung tahay, ay for example tani ato may og sinag nananaw may og sinag ng padada gidala na namo siya ato may food bazaar dalahon po namo siya and then kanang gina-picture na namo siya kauban sa mga pagkaon sa kung asa may mulaag. So mo na nga naka-affect siya sa amhang daily routine kung tahay ka ng for example manglaba ko. So, dili na siya makompleto kung di na ko mapicture si Yuna kauban ako mga bulingon o ang kung tayo po mukaon ko, dili na po na makompleto kung wala si Yuna na picture. Bale, so ang akong daily routine is murag na dungagan siya og mga document baga document kung kanang unsa akong gikaon nga kauban si Yuna, ana. So, akong tulo nga napili nga values is ang responsibility, ang patience, og teamwork. So, responsibility is na may responsibilidad namo nga dapat safe permanently ang baby egg, uglayo siya sa mga danger. And then, ang patience is dapat dili na may always nagadali-dali, dapat soft lang ang lihok, dapat lang kanang demure dili na siya rush. And then ang ikatulo ang teamwork. Kung tahay katong last time nga ni chat ko kadyo nga kung asa siya mo adto dalaon si Yuna for documentation para pod na siya ma-update kang miss. So ang ako ang na-feel kung dalaon ako si Yuna sa gawas or sa public places is confident, syempre. So, dapat confident lang, dili magpaulaw-ulaw kay ngano, nagusapod sa kung gianuhan ana is ang grado. Dapat dili jud ka magpaulaw-ulaw kay grado na good na, diba? Kisa may mo dili sa grado. So, matugan jud ko nga ang baby egg jud namo is na crack. So, how many times na jud siya na crack? Pero gianuhan na namo siya scotch tape para pud ba ka ng pleasant and nice gihapon siya tan-awon. And then ang akong lesson nga na learned is dapat kanang ang imuhang lihok is limited jud siya. I mean, dapat sa kada lihok nimo kung dala nimo si Yuna, dala na mo si Yuna is kanang kanang limited lang siya, like dapat kung kami magod game usahay makalimot man mi nga nari siya dira or ako lang ba makalimot ko nga dala man din ako si Yuna makalimot ko ba nga na or sa unsa ba magunitan ba nako siya kanang na ko siya paggunit ingon na. So it taught me nga unsa jud ang mga unsay effort, and then ang pag-care sa mga parents nga ginahatag nila sa atua just to keep us safe. So mao nang ako ang na-learned. So it builds discipline and it teaches us nga kanang naanang jud tay duties and responsibilities. And labaw sa tanan, ang ato ang action is makaapekto daw sa uban. So dapat kanang aware sa ta kung sa. So dapat aware ta daan or think twice nato daan before nato i-act para dili ta makaapekto sa lain. So kani nga project is nagaano sa ako or nga ang responsibilidad daw kay dili jud ta makaingon nga kanang one at a time lang ng responsibilidad because it takes consistency and commitment. And sa ako ang na-experience ani is ako ang na-learn kay bisag kanang baby egg lang ni siya or dili ni siya kanang tinuod nga anak-anak is dili na nato siya kanang murag alagaan or dili na siya kanang ampingan, but nakasalalay pa natong grado ani. So grado man ang ato ang nakakuan, so we must take care. So just like our future kids or our kids, so kay anak man nato sila, so we should take care of them. And it is our duty to teach them kung unsaon or kung ayo or para mahimong maayong tao, maayo sa ginikanan o gilabi na sa uban.
The purpose of the Baby Egg Project was to find out how we would handle, for example, if we have our own babies in the future, how we take care of the baby, how we divide our tasks as parents, and how we can effectively manage our activities as well as taking care of a baby while managing our daily life and struggles as students or as job workers in the future. Our biggest challenges in our baby egg project is how to bring the baby egg at school. We overcome this by buying some protective or buying something to put our baby egg in. For example, for our project, we bought a mini coral or a mini basket to put our baby egg in, as well as some blankets to shield her from everyday shenanigans. Me and my partner practice co-parenting by alternating Yona every day, as well as deciding who gets to bring her during Saturday and Sunday. There are times where I will bringing her, and the times where my partner will be bringing her. We shared our responsibilities fairly because we have an equal time of taking care of our baby. And yes, that's all. It affected my daily routine by a big amount because I had to bring our baby egg with me any place, anytime, and anywhere. But at least it was a fun experience, and I hope I could do that again. The three values I developed during this project is responsibility, commitment, and teamwork. Responsibility because it is my responsibility to take care of the egg. Commitment because I have committed to taking care of the egg for as long as this activity is active. And teamwork because I have cooperated with my partner on everything that is related to our baby egg. I felt shy when bringing my baby egg outside because I somehow think that people are looking at me while bringing along my baby egg. and it was a very new experience for me, so I got shy, especially in crowded places or in big places where I had to bring my egg for our project purpose. The lesson I learned from taking care of our baby egg was that you have to always be careful because eggs are delicate creatures. Eggs are delicate, and that a single misstep can cause a crack or can cause our egg to break. It made me realize that taking care of a baby is not easy and that it requires a lot of patience and understanding, as well as trust for your partner. It is related to NSTP because it teaches us how to be responsible, committed, and teaches us how to be responsible and committed, as well as being good persons who are able to take care of their baby eggs as well as their community, because everything is related to our communities. And taking care of a baby egg reflects that if you are able to take care of something so small, then you will also be able to take care of something big, and you can be entrusted with bigger responsibilities for the future. The baby egg project taught me not to rush parenting because it requires a lot of your patience and a lot of your time, especially your personal time. But it also taught me how to be responsible because I have managed to adjust my timeline, to adjust my schedules for taking care of my baby. It taught me that being a responsible person means you can take care of everything simultaneously while not being pressured by anything or anyone. That's all.